Hello, and welcome back. In the previous video, we completed the Restaurants tab and explained how meal services are managed inside the reservation file. In this video, we'll move to the Transportation tab. The Transportation tab is used to manage all ground transportation services related to the reservation file, including airport transfers, daily tours, and intercity movements. Let's start with a simple scenario. The same vehicle will be used for the entire group for the whole duration of the trip. Click the green plus button to add a new transportation record. Select the transportation company, for example, Jordan Transportation Company. Select the vehicle type, for example, small bus. Since the bus will stay with the group for the entire trip, leave the from and to dates as they are. Enter the driver name, for example, George. Set the status as requested. Add any notes if needed. Then click Save. This covers the simplest transportation setup. Now let's look at a more common scenario. The group has multiple arrivals, but one single departure. First, delete the existing transportation record. Let's start with the first arrival. Click the green plus button. Select the transportation company, for example, Hertz Rent-A-Car. Select the vehicle, van. Set the date for the first arrival day, for example, January 27, 2026. Assign the driver, for example, George. Set the status to requested. Update the passengers, 6 adults and 1 child. Add notes if needed, then click Save. For the second arrival, we don't need to start from scratch. Select the record we just created and click Duplicate. Confirm the duplication. Edit the new record. Change the date to January 28, 2026. Update the driver name, for example, Fadi Saeed. Then click Save. Now the arrivals are handled. From January 29th until the end of the tour, the group travels together. Select Jordan Transportation Company. Select Small Bus. Set the dates from January 29th to January 31st, 2026. Assign the driver, for example, Ahmad Saeed. Set the status as requested. Update the passengers, 10 adults and 2 children. Then click Save. That's how you handle multiple transportation bookings within the same reservation file. Now, on the right-hand side of each transportation record, you'll find several important options. Show controls whether the transportation service appears in generated documents, such as vouchers and reports. Lock prevents further editing of the record, usually after final confirmation. Post indicates whether the transportation cost has been transferred to the accounting module or kept operational only. Duplicate allows you to copy the transportation record, which is useful when similar details apply to another date. Voucher Preview lets you quickly preview the transportation voucher for the selected record. If you need full control over the booking, click on the folder icon. A detailed dialog box will open. From here, you can add details such as plate number, confirmation number, reservation number, pickup and drop-off notes, special rates, and internal remarks. You can also select the transportation company's vehicles by clicking the magnifier icon next to the vehicle field, where the system will display all vehicle types defined in that transportation company's account. To coordinate better with the transportation company and show full program details, click Import from the bottom toolbar. The system will automatically pull arrival, departure, and itinerary details. This allows you to generate a complete transportation voucher using Preview and send it directly to the supplier. This completes the Transportation tab inside the Incoming Reservation File. In the next video, we'll continue with the Guides tab. Thanks for watching, and let's continue.